Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we have a 73-degree air temperature. We have a dew point value of 71. That's not too terribly bad. 71, that's getting pretty comfortable. I love dew points in the 50s and 60s, but it's going to be a while before we see that. In any event, we'll maybe later on this week, maybe Friday, see a dew point that bottoms out in the upper 60s. That's not impossible. We have some drier air moving in tomorrow. For today, though, I think we'll watch those dew point values probably increase a little bit as we head into the afternoon because we have some more moisture headed our way, which will increase our rain chance today compared to yesterday, up to about 40%. That 40% chance will linger through probably around 4, 5, 6 o'clock and then start to decrease as we head through 7, 8, 9 o'clock and leave us with a pretty clear overnight. If you take a look at Titan radar right now, it's already visible at this time of morning. A few scattered showers building from the other coast and trying to make their way across the peninsula. The air is still kind of dry, though, and a lot of these showers are just basically falling apart as they move into this drier air over inland locations. Nevertheless, we've got more moisture around today than we did yesterday, and we'll see even more moisture as we head into the afternoon, and that's why we're going to support that 40% chance of showers. Across the nation, there are places that have a whole lot of moisture. Flash flood watches and warnings up for parts of the west because of an area of low pressure tapping into some tropical moisture there left over from Rosa. And we also have a frontal boundary that is plowing through parts of the northeast today, the Ohio Valley and into the northeast, producing some rain shower potential there and even the threat of some severe weather in the Ohio Valley. For us here locally, it's all about that high-pressure ridge, persistent, anchored, not going anywhere, right straight through the weekend. It's really preventing any kind of frontal boundaries from moving through here and bringing us any cooler air. That doesn't look like that's in the cards anytime soon. We have this easterly wind flow that'll continue again today, taking the showers over on the other coast and slinging them back in this direction. So mostly sunny and warm again today. Better rain chances, about 40%. And then we're still monitoring the tropics for, at the very least, a little bit more moisture headed this way next week. We'll talk about that in the next half hour. The futurecast shows a few scattered showers over on the other coast, kind of working their way toward us. But even by lunchtime, I think we'll be still pretty dry. As we head into the afternoon, a few of the showers start to work a little bit closer to us. But I think most of the kids get home without a drop of rain bothering them. And then as we head into the evening, drive time, and just a little bit after perhaps, that's when we have the chance of seeing a few scattered showers move through. Maybe even an isolated thunderstorm, though much more likely just scattered showers. And then that all leaves us with a pretty quiet and calm overnight. So we watched total rainfall accumulations showing a little bit better chance of rainfall than we saw earlier this week. We have the potential of maybe some isolated pockets of half-inch rainfalls in inland areas if we do indeed get a thunderstorm, but most of us will see our rainfall again measured in the tenths of an inch or even hundredths of an inch. So not a big rain-producing day, but the possibility of some measurable rain is certainly in the forecast. We're looking at a northeast wind coming in at about 5 to 10, maybe strengthening a little bit during the overnight, the easterly at about 15. And then we'll watch over the next several days. About a 40% chance of showers today, but the drier air starts to move in tomorrow and will lower that rain chance to about 20%. Friday should be a pretty nice day, mostly sunny, about 92 degrees. And over the weekend, I think it's going to be great. At least one of the days will be absolutely rain-free, maybe both of them. Sunday will put in about a 20% chance of showers. And then as we head into next work week, we'll look at about a 50 to 60% chance of showers as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, and some tropical moisture lifts north.